The journey of the world's softest giant begins here, in the Forest of Titans.
Powerful machines strip these giants in seconds, preparing them for the pulp mill.
These primary shredders break down the timber with millions of pounds of crushing force.
Purity starts with the wash. High-pressure jets ensure only clean wood enters the next stage. In the chipper, the timber is reduced to uniform pieces, ready for the pulping cauldron. Safety and quality are paramount. Even a tiny piece of metal can ruin the entire batch. Transportation within the factory is an engineering marvel in itself. The digester uses heat and pressure to break the wood down into its base fibers. Fibers. Automated testing happens every second, ensuring the softness of the final product. Once ready, the pulp is moved to the bleaching and refining stations.
The wood is gone. Now, the creation of the giant paper rolls begins.
Welcome to the pulp cauldron, where raw wood fibers are transformed into liquid gold. Gold.
Only CBS was a best time to get it does make it was structuring for conjubacle dim for Nipponi's purple song she's
Gold.
Mega stirrers rotate with millions of foot-pounds of torque, ensuring every fiber is perfect.
purple song she's at lights. Purple song she's
The filtration process is a masterpiece of precision, removing every microscopic impurity. Natural bleaching agents are injected at high pressure to achieve that signature brilliant white color.
Centrifugal force, 10 times stronger than Earth's gravity, extracts the remaining water.
Sensors analyze the fiber length and strength to guarantee a product that never tears unexpectedly.
Mechanical refining brushes the fibers, making them bloom like flowers for that cloud-like texture.
Even the smallest wood knot is rejected, to ensure a perfectly smooth finish.
Specialized softening agents are infused, creating the plush feel that customers love.
The vortex uses gravity and speed to separate heavy particles from the pure, light pulp. Temperature control is critical. Too much heat can damage the delicate fibers. The transformation is complete. Liquid wood is now ready to become paper.
We move now to the drying rollers, where the giant sheets find their strength.
These skyscraper-sized rollers are the heart of the factory, drying and flattening the pulp into paper at lightning speed. Lightning speed. Lightning speed. The signature quilted patterns aren't just for looks. They are pressed into the sheet to increase absorbency. Lightning speed. The signature quilted patterns aren't just for looks. They are pressed into the sheet to increase absorbency. A high-precision laser array monitors the thickness. If it's off by even a micron, the system adjusts instantly.
Superheated air is blasted at 400 degrees to ensure the paper is bone dry before it leaves the rollers. Before the paper is wound, a touch of softening lotion is applied for that premium, cloud-like feel. Every batch is tested for strength. It must be soft enough for skin, but strong enough for the task. AI-driven cameras look for holes or spots. Perfect paper is the only option here.
With the drying complete, the giant sheet is ready to be reborn as a mother roll. The scale of production is unmatched. This single machine produces enough paper to wrap around the earth.
The transformation is complete. Now, we witness the birth of the Behold the mother roll. A single one of these 50-ton giants contains
Moving these titans requires heavy-duty engineering. The overhead cranes are built to lift the From the dryer to the converter, the mother roll must be handled with extreme care to avoid caristrisol. Now begins the conversion. The giant mother roll is about to be sliced. Industrial precision is key. One single cut creates hundreds of consumer-sized logs in a matter of seconds. These long logs are now ready to be cut into the final rolls you see in stores.
This is the log saw. It operates at speeds so fast the human eye can barely track the movement.
Every roll is tested. A perfect balance of firmness and softness is the hallmark of the mega factory. Even the cores are engineered to withstand the pressure of the high-speed winding process.
The tail sealer ensures that the final product stays neat and tidy until it reaches your home. Sophisticated sorting algorithms manage the flow of millions of rolls every single hour.
This facility alone can produce enough paper in one day to wrap around the moon.
The giants have been tamed. Now, they are ready for their final journey to the world. Finally, the individual giants are grouped and ready. This facility packages over 5 million rolls every single day. Mega robotics handle the final load. Each pallet weighs as much as a small car and stands 10 feet tall. Is vital. Securing the load is vital. Miles of industrial stretch film ensure the giants stay together during global logistics at this scale require a digital brain that never sleeps, managing thousands. The final storage. A sea of softness, organized with military precision. Direct loading saves time. A single truck is filled in under 5 minutes by these high-speed systems.